Are you looking for the best budget and cheap air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget and cheap air fryers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Bella 8QT Pro 90088. If you usually cook for the whole family and need more capacity, the Bella 8QT Pro 90088 is a cheaper large capacity air fryer. This model's round basket shape gives you less surface area to arrange food compared with some other large capacity air fryers like the Ninja DZ071. With only one basket, it can't be used to prepare different foods simultaneously. However, it's much cheaper and still suitable for preparing food for the whole family. It's not the most versatile since it lacks presets for different cooking methods like bake and broil. However, it has several modes for distinct foods, like fries, bacon, and shrimp, which act as suggested times and temperatures for the selected item. It's quite slow to preheat and cook for an air fryer but produces good quality air-fried food, so most of your chicken wings or French fries turn out crispy and golden brown. Number 3. Ninja Foodi DZ201. If you need a bigger air fryer, the best budget option that we've tested is the Ninja Foodi DZ201. Like most dual basket air fryers, its design lets you cook two different foods with different settings in each of its baskets. Combined with its bigger 8QT capacity, this makes it more suitable for preparing full meals with multiple components and serving several people compared with previous picks like the COSORI TurboBlaze. It has a very good overall performance, producing evenly air-fried food quickly. You can use the Smart Finish feature to have each basket finish cooking at the same time, and it has a range of fan speeds and temperatures for different recipes and cooking methods. It preheats and cooks quickly and maintains a stable temperature during cooking, which helps you follow recipes accurately. However, it's quite bulky for its capacity, as it's barely smaller than the 10QT Ninja DZ550. Number 2. Beautiful 6QT Digital. If you want an inexpensive option, the best cheap air fryer we've tested is the Beautiful 6QT Digital. Beautiful by Drew products are only sold by the brand at Walmart, and it's available there for well under $100. Like the previous pick, this medium-sized option has a 6QT capacity and a good amount of cooking surface area to arrange your food in a single layer. It's bulkier than the COSORI and takes up more space on your counter for a similar cooking capacity, but comes in more color options than most air fryers. It also makes good quality air-fried food, so your food turns out mostly evenly brown and crispy. It's fast and maintains a decently stable temperature, which helps you get good results when following recipes and cooking delicate foods. However, it has fewer modes than most air fryers. There are no bake or broil settings, although you can use it with a lower fan speed and low temperature to dehydrate. Number 1. COSORI TurboBlaze. The best budget air fryer that we've tested is the COSORI TurboBlaze. This is our best medium-sized air fryer overall, and it's a good option if you want an air fryer for less than $100. While it's best suited for cooking for 1 or 2 people, it has a good amount of cooking surface area for arranging ingredients in a single layer, which is important for the best results. It produces good quality air-fried food, so your food gets mostly evenly browned without being under or overcooked. It's very versatile, with 5 fan speed settings for different cooking methods. You can use a medium fan speed to avoid drying out cakes and cookies when baking and a very low fan speed when dehydrating to prevent food from blowing around in the basket. The downside of this model is that it preheats slowly and doesn't maintain the most stable temperature, making it more difficult to accurately follow recipes.